Hey, what's up guys, Josh or Fusion here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to return your telly for an exchange if it arrived damaged, just like a lot of people's did. Even mine arrived broken. I'm going to be showing you guys in a little bit, but also if you guys just want to return the Telly TV and it didn't arrive broken, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that as well. And I think the weirdest part about my telly stopping working is the fact that it was working for a couple hours before it just went kaput. If you play Call of Duty Black Ops 6, I have two new bundles listed on the store, the Black Ops 6 Mega Monster Bundle as well as 10 hours of Dual XP. The Mega Monster Bundle comes with the 3 exclusive monster items that you couldn't get the normal way, and the Dual XP gives you 10 hours of rank XP as well as 10 hours of weapon XP. Link will be in the description guys, and use code THANKYOU5 for 5% off your purchase. Now back to the video. I recorded a whole unboxing and setup video for this thing, and then all of a sudden in the middle of it my phone ran out of storage. When I went back the next day to finish the rest of the recording of the video, the TV wouldn't work anymore. I was able to go through the menus, I was able to watch some shows, so I got a small taste of the TV, but then it just somehow stopped working. Again, has anybody else had this issue? Because everybody else that has a broken telly, I'm seeing they're getting a busted screen. I've seen nobody else have power issues with their telly like this, so definitely let me know what's wrong with yours. In the last video where I showed you guys that I came up on the list and it was time for me to get my telly, we checked out the Telly subreddit and I showed you guys how so many people were getting broken tellies, so much to the point now where if you go onto the Telly subreddit, they have a community highlight here that says broken tellies. On here it says we're seeing a lot of posts of tellies arriving broken. As a result, we're asking to keep them in this thread. If your telly arrives damaged, please email betasupport@freetelly.com to get it replaced. Now I did go ahead and email them. I said, hi, I just set up my telly, it was working fine for about an hour, but then it shut off, and now every time I turn it on, it shuts off about 30 seconds later. I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date with my Telly TV replacement in the Discord. If you guys want to join the server, I'll have the link in the description below. When you first join, choose what platform you play on. Next, make sure you guys choose the Telly TV option, as well as some other options here for channels and different things you can do in the server. And we have the Telly TV form here in the server, so if you guys have any issues with your Telly TV, or if you guys have questions about the signups or how long anything is going to take, I'll help you guys one-on-one as best as I can, as well as our other members of the community in here. We're all going to help each other out with our Telly TVs. Having a server where we can help each other out with our tellies is great. The support is really limited over here on the subreddit. They didn't answer me for over a week, and I assume this is because it was around the time for Christmas, so they were probably taking time off. I said, hello, been waiting over a week with a dead TV, any help? And then they finally did answer, and they said, hey there, yep, we need to get you a replacement, sounds like a bug, can you fill out this link and we can get you a replacement. Now I'm just going to leave this link in the description for you guys so you don't have to go through this whole process of waiting a week to get the link emailed to you. And when we come to the link, this is what it brings us to: Telly returns and exchanges form. We're sorry to hear that you need a replacement and or a return. Please complete this form and that will start the process. If we're exchanging your telly and you don't have the original box and packing material, please use the replacement telly's box and packing material. Okay, that's good to know. I still have my original box though, and this is the same link that's posted in the Reddit right now. If you guys do need to submit this form, I would hurry up and do it fast because people on the subreddit are saying it's taking a while. This guy M Hammerstone said, any thoughts on the timelines for the action on the form? Been over a week and I was told it would be 48 hours after submitting the form for a new tracking number. Just hoping this is not a sign of the long-term support strategy. Another person said, is Telly monitoring this sub at all? I've emailed 3 different email addresses over a week ago and have received 0 response. This thing is taking up a ton of room in my house right now. And guys, I will say, after a couple days of no response, instead of relying on their support email, I went right to their website, went up to the top right and went to contact and filled out a contact form here, and this is what they actually got back to me with. So this is probably the fastest way to contact them, but I would definitely fill out the new form. So guys, this is what my telly does. This is why it's broken. I just powered it on right now. It makes a clicking sound. I'm assuming that's power supply turning it on. The bottom screen comes on first, then the top screen comes on. It says Telly. Now if you guys don't know, if you don't have a telly, this thing takes super long to start up. I don't know what the deal is. I mean, it's a free TV though, so I guess we get our drawbacks, but this thing literally takes like a minute to start up. So it's doing its whole thing, it's starting up, it's loading, and you guys will see here in just a second, pretty much once it gets to this second Telly logo, then it shuts off. Now, I did email Telly about this. I was hoping that they were going to be able to do some sort of software update to fix this, not have me pack up the whole thing, send it back, and get a new one. But I guess that's the solution here. I guess it must be some sort of mechanical issue with the TV itself. I just do want to ask though, has anybody else experienced this power issue? I know that I'm pretty afraid to post any questions or any things in the subreddit because they're pretty mean over there. People are getting banned from the Telly subreddit for saying the wrong thing or wording things wrong. So now let's finally complete this Telly return form. The first question it has on here is, do you want/need a replacement? I'm gonna choose yes. I need another Telly. We've came this far. Do you have a Telly to return? Yes. What is the reason for the exchange or return? They have a lot of different reasons here, and this is gonna be my reason right here. Defective, not damaged, because it didn't arrive with shipping damage. It's just defective and doesn't work. For the additional notes, I'm gonna paste in here what I sent them on the email. That should give them all the notes that they need to know. And then the rest of this form is all personal details, so I can't show you guys, but I'm gonna fill out the rest of this and then I'm gonna hit this orange submit button. So now it says thank you, we'll be in touch with the next step. And now all we can do is wait for our replacement Telly, guys. Guys, what are the chances while I'm editing this video showing you guys how to get your replacement Telly? Got a notification on my phone. My replacement has just shipped. Now I am editing this video 2 days after I first recorded it, so you guys can expect your replacement to ship within 2 days. Opening up the email, it says the same thing as before. Your Telly is shipped, your Telly's on the way, get ready for your Telly arrival. And guys, it says it's expected January 10th, which is in 3 days for me. The last time my Telly shipped, it only took 2 days. I'm happy that they're shipping out my replacement so fast, but they still haven't given me any instructions on how to return my old Telly. Right now it's still sitting in my room. I actually have to put it back in the box. Luckily, I still have the original box. If you guys don't have the original Telly box, they will send you a replacement one. You just have to let them know I don't have the original box still. I need a replacement one to send it back, which is really good news. The Telly box is huge, so you guys don't have to keep it if you don't want to. I'm still going to be making my unboxing and my review of the Telly once I get my replacement one in a few days, and I'm going to continue making more Telly videos as the TV updates and gets better. I'm going to show you guys more features. I'm going to show you guys how to use it to its fullest, and I'm going to be making a ton more Telly videos. If you guys want to stay up to date on everything new with the free 55-inch 4K TV Telly, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date with my Telly TV replacement in the Discord. If you guys want to join the server, I'll have the link in the description below. When you first join, choose what platform you play on. Next, make sure you guys choose the Telly TV option, as well as some other options here for channels and different things you can do in the server. And we have the Telly TV form here in the server, so if you guys have any issues with your Telly TV, I'll help you guys one-on-one as best as I can, as well as our other members of the community in here. We're all going to help each other out with our Telly TVs. Or if you guys have questions about the signups or how long anything is going to take, you guys can ask and post questions in there. Having a server where we can help each other out with our Tellys is great. Since the Telly TV subreddit literally says on here Telly TV unofficial Reddit, it's not the real company, and the support is really limited over here on the subreddit. But anyways, guys, I received my free Telly TV, unboxed it, set it up, and it doesn't work. It has some sort of power issue. So this video has showed you guys how to return your Telly TV for a replacement, or just how to return it in general if you don't want the thing. I know that my friend that got his Telly, set it up and everything, is choosing to send his back, so I hope this helps some of you out. If it did, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, as well as subscribe to the channel for more Telly TV updates. This is the third video I'm making on Telly, and I plan on making more, so make sure you guys have those post notifications on so you don't miss any of the new video. Anyways, guys, this has been Joshua Fusion here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you play Call of Duty Black Ops 6, I have 2 new bundles listed on the store: the Black Ops 6 Mega Monster Bundle, as well as 10 hours of dual XP. The Mega Monster Bundle comes with the 3 exclusive monster items that you couldn't get the normal way, and the dual XP gives you 10 hours of rank XP as well as 10 hours of weapon XP. Link will be in the description, guys, and use code THANKYOU5 for 5% off your purchase.